Yes, my dear students, let me continue the complex analysis, the paper 3. Today I am giving the construction of analytic function. How to construct the analytic function with the help of the given part, given data. The main part, today is construction of analytic function. Yes, this is the main object today. Here, either real part or imaginary part is given, u is given. Your job is to prove first it is a harmonic function, and you know that analytic function is f of z is equal to u plus iv. With the help of that u, your job is to find out that v, the harmonic conjugate. How you are finding? You know that it by the CR equation. By the CR equations, dou v by dou y equal to dou u by dou x. You differentiate the given u partially with respect to x and equate to dou v by dou y. Integrate with respect to y. Integrate with respect to y. So you get v equal to. We have this value, integrate this with respect to y, some function you are getting in terms of that xy, and some integral constant that should be in terms of the function x. Because you are integrating with respect to y, we don't know, the total term becomes 0, either it is in x term or it is totally constant. Therefore, let us consider that as a f of x. Call this as a 1. Differentiate partially with respect to x. So differentiate partially with respect to x. Dou v by dou x equal to q dash of xy. You are differentiating partially with respect to x. It is f dash of x. But by the CR equation, dou v by dou x is minus dou u by dou y. It is q dash of xy plus f dash of x. This you can find out with the help of the given. You find out that du by dou u by dou y. Substitute here. Solve for f dash of x. So find f dash of x. Then find f of x. Yes, find out f dash of x, then f of x. Substitute here. You will get that v. After getting this v, use in this formula f of z equal to u plus iv. That will be the analytic function. Okay, let us see one by one. The example 1. The example 1 says, if u is given, here, if u equal to x cube minus 3xy square, x cube minus 3xy square, then show that u is harmonic. U is harmonic, and find harmonic conjugate and analytic function. Yes, this is the problem now. Yes, u is given, prove it is a harmonic function. With the help of that, you find out that v, the conjugate, harmonic conjugate, and analytic function. Yes, let us take that u is the given equation number 1. Yes, this is u. Solution. U equal to, call this as a 1. Find out partially with respect to x first. Dou u by dou x equal to 3x square minus 3y square. Call this as a 2. and differentiate partially with respect to y. Dou u by dou y equal to x is 0 minus 6xy. Again find out the second order derivative. Dou square u by dou x square equal to 6x minus 0 and dou square u by dou y square equal to minus 6x. Add them. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 6x minus 6x. That will be 0, implies u is harmonic. Yes, the Laplace equation satisfied, therefore u is the harmonic. Next, I would like to find out dou v by dou y. You start with this. You know by CR equation dou u by dou x. But dou u by dx is already there, 3x square minus 3y square. Now integrate with respect to y. If you integrate with respect to y, this will be v equal to integration of 3x square minus 3y square into dy. That v equal to 3x square constant, 1 integration is y, minus 3 outside, y square integration is y cube by 3, and this 3 divided by 3 cancels, plus the integration constant, always you have to take f of x, because you are integrating with respect to y, partial derivative is there, maybe a function of x or constant. Call this as a this, if it is a 3, you call this as a 4. Differentiate partially with respect to x. Dou v by dou x equal to, it is 6xy minus 0 plus f dash of x. And dou v by dou x is, by CR equation, minus dou u by dou y equal to 6xy plus f dash of x. Dou u by dou y is minus 6y, minus of that is means a plus sign, therefore it is 6xy equal to 6xy plus f dash of x. Because dou u by dou y is minus, minus of minus is plus, it cancels. This implies f dash of x equal to 0, and f of x is, f dash of x either in the partial derivative with respect to y is 0, with respect to x is 0, means it should be totally a constant. Therefore 4 becomes v equal to 3xy square, 3x square y minus y cube plus c. This is harmonic conjugate. And analytic function f of z equal to analytic function, you know that u plus iv, and u value is x cube minus 3x square y plus I, v value 3xy square it is. So x square y minus y cube plus c. Let us rearrange the terms. It is x cube minus iy cube minus 3xy square plus i3x square y plus I into c. Let me write in the standard form. This I can write it as x cube plus iy cube. I cube is minus I. And here it is, minus sign can be written as I square 3xy square plus I3x square y plus IC. If I simplify this, x cube plus I cube plus 3ixy. If I take it common, it is x. 3xi taken, so x remaining, plus in I square I is taken means 1i and y is remaining, plus ic. This is nothing but x plus y whole cube plus ic. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Then x plus iy z, z cube plus ic. This is the function f of z. Yes, this is how we are finding the analytic function. Okay, so let me take one more example just for understanding. Here, if u is equal to it is x cube minus 3x, this I have done I think, right? X square minus y square, x square minus y square, yes. Prove that it is a harmonic function, find its harmonic conjugate, then analytic function. Yes, call this as a 1. Differentiate partially with respect to x, dou u by dou x equal to 2x, and partially with respect to y, dou u by dou y equal to minus 2y. Again you differentiate with respect to x, dou square u by dou x square equal to 2, and dou square u by dou y square equal to minus 2. By Laplace equation, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to plus 2 minus 2 0. This implies u is harmonic. Yes, one part is over. It is the harmonic function. Then I must find out the harmonic conjugate. For that, start with that. Dou v by dou y equal to dou u by dou x. It is by CR equation. Dou u by dou x is 2x. Integrate with respect to y. Integrate with respect to y. Therefore, v equal to integration of 2x into dy plus that function f of x. Always you have to take f of x. 2x is outside and 1y is y plus f of x. This is v. Call this as a, if I call this as a 2 and this as a 3, and this should be a 4. Differentiate partially with respect to x. Dou v by dou x equal to 2y plus f dash of x. This is dou u by dou y by CR equation. It is 2y plus f dash of x. From the equation 3 minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2y. So 2y plus f dash of x, 2y all cancels. And you have f dash of x equal to 0 means f of x should be a constant. There is no x, there is no y. So it's C. Then 4 becomes v equal to 2xy plus c, which is a harmonic conjugate. The analytic function is f of z equal to u plus iv. U is x square minus y square plus I into 2xy plus c. That is, if the simplification is x square plus, I can write this as a iy whole square. I square is minus 1 plus 2ixy plus ic. It is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. Therefore, you can write this as x plus iy whole square plus ic. X plus iy is always z, so z square plus ic, because z is x plus iy, always complex variable. Yes, this is another example that I got it. Let me take one more example just to understand a difficult, peculiar example. Let me take it now. If u is equal to it is x cube minus 3 xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1. I am proving it is a harmonic function as well as the harmonic conjugate I have to find out, then the analytic function. Let us take that partially differentiation with respect to x, 3x square minus 3y square, because x is differentiation 1, this is 3x square, 3y square constant, x is 1, plus 6x, and remaining two terms are 0, call equation number 2. Differentiate partially with respect to y, dou u by dou y equal to first term is 0 minus 6xy, third term is also 0 minus 6y, and 1 is 0, call equation number 3. Again differentiate partially with respect to x now, dou square u by dou x square, it is 6x minus 0 plus 6, because y is 0, this is 2x means 6x, 6 into 1, and second order derivative dou square u by dou y square is minus 6x, y is 1, minus 6. Therefore adding them, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 6x plus 6 minus 6x minus 6, though definitely it cancels, you get 0. This implies u is harmonic. U is harmonic. Yes, one part is over. Then let us construct that v. For now, consider dou v by dou y equal to dou u by dou x. It is CR equation. Dou u by dx, you know that's 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x. Integrate with respect to y. Integrate with respect to y. Definitely v equal to, it is an integration of 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x into dy. 3x square constant, one differentiation is y. Whereas y square integration is y cube by 3 and 3 cancels, it is minus y cube. Plus 6x constant into y plus the function f of x. This is v. Call equation number 4. Differentiate partially with respect to x. Dou v by dou x equal to 6xy minus 0 plus 6y plus f dash. Yes, this is 6xy, this is 6y, because you are differentiating partially with respect to x, minus dou u by dou y equal to 6xy plus 6y plus f dash of x. From the equation 3, minus dou u by dou y is the 6xy plus 6y. Substitute that from 3. From 3, 6xy plus 6y equal to 6xy plus 6y plus f dash of x. And definitely both the sides the same term, cancel it. This implies f dash of x equal to 0 and f of x equal to constant. And 4 becomes, substitute in the 4. 4 becomes 4 becomes v equal to, it is 3x square y minus y cube plus 6xy plus constant. This is the conjugate, harmonic conjugate. Then analytic function will be now, analytic function f of z equal to u plus iv. Let us substitute that u value. It is x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1 plus I into v value 3x square y minus y cube plus 6xy plus c. Just rearrange the terms. Try to get x plus iy, because x plus iy is z. You try to simplify in that form. It is x cube minus iy cube. I can write this as plus iy cube and plus 3i square xy square, this term, and plus I 3x square y, this term, plus 3x square, right, and minus this, I can write it as 3iy square, minus sign is I square, plus 6ixy plus ic. It is now x cube plus iy cube. If I take 3ixy outside, x plus iy, plus 3 is taken common here in these three terms, x square plus iy square plus 2xyi plus ic. This is x plus iy cube plus 3 into, it is x plus I whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus ic. Definitely it is z cube plus 3z square plus ic. This is f of z. This is how we are getting it. Yes. So these are the problem in the one fashion. Then I would like to take another part of it. Another means without using this u and v separately, directly I should get that analytic function. Okay, we'll see in the next case. Dear students, in the previous case we got the harmonic conjugate, then we got analytic function. But now without finding the conjugate, I can construct that analytic function. Without finding the conjugate, only with the help of that u, means in the real part, I can construct the analytic function. It is Mills-Thomson method. It's the method of constructing analytic function. What we are doing, when u is given, means real part is given, we know that f of z equal to u plus iv, and f dash of z equal to, I am differentiating partially with respect to x, dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. This is actually required result, and this we got it with the help of this given. But by CR equation, you know that dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x is minus I dou u by dou y, because dou v by dou x is minus dou u by dou y, f dash of z. With the help of the u given, you can differentiate partially with respect to x as well as partially with respect to y. Then put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y, and integrate with respect to z. which is analytic function. This is the method. What we are doing, very simple method. When u is given, take f of z equal to u plus iv, f dash of z you find out, partially with respect to x, replace the dou v by dou x because we don't know v value in terms of the u by CR equation, and with the help of the given u, you can find out both u and u differentiation with respect to x as well as y. Put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in these two differentiation and integrate it, gives the answer now. That is the analytic function. Okay, so let us take one example how actually this works out. One or two example let me take now by using this method. Find the analytic function whose real part is given by. Find the analytic function whose real part is given by that u equal to 2x minus x cube plus 3xy square. Yes, I am finding the analytic function with the help of this real part. Solution. Call this as a 1. You differentiate partially with respect to x as well as y. Dou u by dou x equal to 2 minus 3x square plus 3y square. Call this as a 2. Dou u by dou y equal to, you are differentiating partially with respect to 6xy. Call equation number 3. As f of z equal to u plus iv, f dash of z equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. I have partially differentiated with respect to x. Then using CR equation, let me replace that. Dou u by dou x minus I dou u by dou y, because dou v by dou x equal to minus dou u by dou y. From 2 and 3, put x equal to z and y equal to 0, we get f dash of z equal to dou u by dou x. Here, put wherever x is there, replace it by z. So it is 2 minus 3z square plus y term becomes 0. This is over, dou u by dou x. Minus I, dou u by dou y, x is z, y is 0, this term is 0. So it is f dash of z equal to 2 minus 3z square. Integrate with respect to z. Integrate with respect to z. It f of z equal to integration of 2 minus 3z square into dz. 2 outside, 1 means z, minus 3 outside, z cube by 3, 3 cancels, it is z cube, plus integration constant. See, that's all, you get it. Over. This is the analytic function. Okay, let us take one more example. Find the real part, find the analytic function whose real part is given by 3x square y. So let's take a different example. 3x square y plus 2x square minus y cube minus 2y square. Yes, I am finding the analytic function if it is a real part. As usual. Here, differentiate partially with respect to x as well as y. It is 6xy plus 4x. Rest of the two terms are 0. When I differentiate this 3x square and with respect to y, 3x square comes to y is 1, it is 0, minus 3y square minus 4y. Yes. z equal to u plus iv, f dash of z equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Replace this minus dou u by dou y. From 2 and 3, put x equal to z and y equal to 0. We get f dash of z equal to, it is f dash of z. Put here x, y is 0, means the term total is 0. You get 0. And plus minus I into, here 3x square, means 3z square. And the rest of the terms are 0. Yes. Oh, disseminated 4x it is. 4x means 4z. 4z. This is 0. This is 4z. Okay. Integrate with respect to this f dash of z equal to 4z minus 3iz square. Integrate with respect to z, f of z equal to integration of 4z minus 3iz square into dz. 4 constant z square by 2 it is, minus 3i constant z cube by 3 plus integration constant c. So 2 on the 2 2s. This 3 cancels. We 2z square minus I z cube plus c. This is f of z. This is how we are getting this right. Then let's take another different example. Construct that analytic function if u is given by u equal to e raised to x into x cos y minus y sin y. X cos y minus y sin y. Construct that analytic function. Yes, this is given dou u by dou x. E raised to x constant, because I am applying a product rule. X, you are differentiating partially with respect to x. So this is constant, differentiation of the bracket. This is cos y minus 0 plus x cos y minus y sin y. E raised to x is e raised to x. E raised to x is taken common. Cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y. This is dou u by dou x. Call equation number 2 if it is a 1. Similarly, differentiate partially with respect to y. Dou u by dou y. E raised to x is constant minus x sin y. This term. And product rule I am applying. Y constant, sin is cos y, plus sin y constant, y is 1, bracket this, that is equal to e raised to x into bracket minus x sin y minus y cos y minus sin y, dou u by dou y. Call equation number 3. Now f of z equal to, it is u plus iv. This implies f dash of z equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. If I replace that, dou u by dou x minus I dou v by dou u by dou y, and by using 2 and 3, put x equal to z and y equal to 0. What about the first term? See this, e raised to z. It is e raised to z. Cos 0 is 1. Plus z, cos 0 is 1. Minus 0, leave it. This term is e raised to z 1 plus z. minus I into, here e raised to z, sin y is 0, this term is 0. Even the sin y is 0, so y is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Totally this term is 0. Therefore, it is 1 plus z into e raised to z f dash of z. Integrate with respect to z. If I integrate with respect to z, f of z equal to integration of 1 plus z into e raised to z dz, integration by parts. 1 plus z is constant, integration of e raised to z dz, minus under integration bracket integration e raised to z dz, and differentiation of 1 plus z is dz. 1 is 0, then it is 1 plus z, e raised to z is e raised to z minus integration e raised to z dz, some integration constant c. Then you have now 1 plus z e raised to z minus e raised to z plus c. 1 e raised to z cancels, z e raised to z plus c. This is the analytic function. Yes, I remember this. Let me stop now. Then some more examples are there in this. You practice it. You have any difficulty, any problem, if you have, ask me definitely. I will give you the solution. Thank you.